Everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and for today's video I'm going to show you another recipe, and in today's video I'm going to show the recipe of whipped cream. So I'm here using whipped cream to decorate my cake, and you can also use to decorate your own fruit salads if you don't know how to make your own cake. So I have already made another video on that, so if you haven't watched it, the link will be in my description box below, so don't forget to check that too. And I am posting some of other recipes of mine in my description box below, so please do check that out. And yeah, so let me tell you that before we begin with today's video, there is a contest going on in my channel, and I know I have told you about this many times, but still let me tell you that please go and like the video's link will be in my description box below, so don't forget to check that too. And I've explained about that in many of my videos, so I'll try to post it in my description box below. So yeah, without any further ado, let's continue with the video.
ऑल्सो गाइज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बटर पेपर कैसे बनाना है वो भी सिखाऊंगी, तो आप कुछ भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा, इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा. तो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू कंटिन्यू.
सो टू मेक बटर पेपर यू विल नीड पेपर and a rolling board and a brush and some oil. The quantity of oil is nothing, just it's according to you. And so first you will need the main important thing is that you need a newspaper to keep below your rolling board, because the oil may fall and it will dirty your place. So it's better you keep a newspaper below your rolling board. So first start covering the paper with oil, and the paper should be clean and it should not be used once also. So you just have to put oil on it and start covering the paper with oil only. So as you can see I am doing, and it should be properly covered, so you don't need to buy any butter paper from the market, because it's locked down and your stock must have got over. So it's a quick hack for you all guys, as I was making my cake, so I thought of showing you all how to make butter paper. So you just have to cover it properly and no space should be left. So the reason why I'm using the rolling board over here, or you say it as chalky, whatever, the belan chalky that we use for making rotis. So the reason why I'm using is because here it is oil, so as it is wood, so it will absorb the oil in it and it won't dirty your surface. So you have to cover all the spaces and don't leave any space, because once the cake mixture is put in it, it will not come out and it's a waste of money and the waste of all your ingredients. So it's better to cover everything, not even a part, don't leave a part also. So yeah, start applying it properly. So the ingredients you will need are Amul fresh cream and iced sugar. So iced sugar, that is you have to crush ice and then put it in fridge. So here I have Amul's fresh cream. This is not sponsored again. So you have to beat it, and here I am using the electronic beater. You can use any beater, you can use hand blender or anything. So you can see there is a vessel below it. So the reason why it is the water below, like in the vessel, should be super cool, and so that this will remain this will turn out into very good. So here you can see that it's almost ready and it is thick and it's not coming down. And you can see here in the vessel that the vessel should be cold. So this icing sugar, I kept it in fridge and now I have to pour it. So there is no measurement again, you have to take it according to your taste. So just pour it according to your taste and start blending it again. So as you can see, the water should be cold, and you can see that ice that is floating on that. Now put the icing sugar into the cream according to your taste, and here you can see I've decorated my cake with choco chips.
So guys, I hope you all like today's video. If you all do, then please give this video a big thumbs, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you will be updated whenever I post my new videos. Share it with all your friends so that they can make this quick recipe during this lockdown. And comment below how is the recipe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.